Hi everyone. So, Leonard James Orpano here. Today, I will discuss the lesson 18, Modern Periodic Table. At sana, bago tayo magsimula ay may matutunan kayong aral sa lesson na ito. So, let me start. So, the introduction. The modern periodic table is a fundamental tool in chemistry that organizes all known elements by increasing atomic number, revealing recurring trends in their properties. Developed from early periodic tables by arranging elements according to atomic number and electron configuration. It helps classify elements into groups and periods based on shared chemical behaviors. So, understanding state of matter, solid, liquid, gas, and plasma is also essential as they describe the physical forms, elements, and compounds take under various conditions, and these states relates to atomic and molecular interactions influenced by elemental properties. So, what is modern periodic table? Um, Modern periodic table daw ay isang sistema ng pag-aayos ng mga element ayon sa kanilang atomic number at mga katangian. So, ang nasa rows ay periods. Elements are arranged in increasing atomic number from left to right. So, columns, groups, elements in the same group have similar chemical properties due to the same number of valence electrons. May mga metal, non-metal at metalloid sa periodic table. Ang mga metal ay nasa left, ang mga non-metal naman ay nasa kanan, at ang mga metalloid ay nasa gitna o center. So Dmitri Mendeleev. Sino nga ba si Dmitri Mendeleev? The father of the periodic table. Future chemistry world. Si Dmitri Mendeleev daw is considered the father of the periodic table because he developed the framework that arranged elements by atomic weight, predicted undiscovered elements by leaving gaps in the table, and articulated the periodic law. So, sino naman si Henry Moseley? So, Henry Moseley is known for discovering the atomic number by establishing the relationship between it and an element's X-ray spectra, a discovery that fixed the organization of the periodic table from atomic weight to atomic number. Dagdag ko lang is Henry Moseley, a discovery that fixed the organization of the periodic table from atomic weight to atomic number. His work provided the basis for modern atomic theory, and his experimental data validated Niels Bohr's theory of atomic structure. Tragically, Moseley's life was cut short when he was killed in action during World War I at the age of 27. Array. So, structures of modern periodic table. The table is arranged in 7 horizontal periods and 18 vertical groups. Elements in the same group have similar valence electron configuration. resulting in similar chemical properties. Periods represents element with progressively filling electron shells. So, classification lang is elements are broadly categorized into metals, nonmetals, and metalloids, aiding and understanding their reactively and physical characteristics. The table division into blocks SPDF corresponds to electron subshells being filled. Here are the structure of modern periodic table. These are the example. Yeah, makikita nyo dyan kung ang lahat ng elements. Yan. Next. So, ito naman. Periodic trends. Key trends such as electronegativity, atomic radius, ionization energy, and metallic character change predictably across periods and groups, helping anticipate element behavior. So, may makikita kayo dyan na apat na makikita nyo dyan yung atomic radius, melting point, electronegativity, and this one, ionization energy. So, ano nga ba yan? So, atomic radius increases down a group. So, meron daw siyang maraming energy levels. Decreases across a period. So, marami rin daw siyang protons, pull electrons closer. So, next one is melting point. Varies but generally increases across a period. Peaks at carbon group. Then, electronegativity. Electronegativity increases across a period, peaks at carbon group, atoms want electrons more. So, decreases naman ng is down a group. Atoms are larger, less attraction. So, last one is ionization energy. Decreases about a group, decreases down a group. So, electrons are farther from nucleus. Increases across a period. So, more protons, harder to remove electrons. Next one is relationship to states of matter. So, ano daw ang ibig sabihin ng relationship to states of matter? Elements in the periodic table exist different states of matter at room temperature, solid, liquid, or gases, and these states correlate with their atomic structure and bonding. For example, noble gases are gaseous, many metals are solid, and bromine is a liquid. Physical states reflect atomic arrangements and bonding strengths, crucial for understanding chemical and physical process. So, ang relationship to state of matter daw ay ang mga state ng materials ay solid, liquid, gas. Temperature. Tumataas ang temperatura, nagbabago ng estado. ang solid, liquid, gas. So, pressure, tumataas ang pressure, nagbabago ang state ng gas, liquid, at solid. Halimbawa nito ay, isip tayo ng halimbawa, yellow. Diba ang yellow ay solid, tapos naman ang tubig ay liquid. At ang yung singaw, alam niyo yung singaw? Gas. Hindi yung singaw sa, singaw, ibig sabihin yung air. Ang pagbabago ng estado ay depende sa temperatura at pressure. Yeah. So, ito naman ang applications and importance of understanding states of matter. Here's the guide question. Basahin nyo na lang po yan. At ito ang aking summary. Ito ang aking references at yun lang. At maraming salamat sa inyong panunood at pakikinig. So, God bless everyone. Adios.